Number 28, Tandog, binigay kay Alimurong, kinuha number 28, Tandog. A dribble double number 28. Number 28. Number 28, binigay kay number 27, Basilio. Dribble double number 27, Basilio. Side step, wala, it's good. Score 10 all. Number 10, kinuha number 8, Dice. Binigay again kay number 10, Coros. Kinuha number 18. Number 18, intercept by number 28, Tandog. Nagmamadali si number 28, Tandog. Shot. Referee whistle. Number 8, Dice. First personal foul, number 8. Second team foul. Second. Rebound by number 27.
Lalaban ngayon na din.
Shot is good. I see number 10, Coros. Dribble double number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10, binigay kay number 80 shot. Rebound by number 8. Dice. Kinuha number 10. From downtown, yes sir. Number 10. 3 points. Number 28, Tandog. Kinuha number 19. 19 shot. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 shot. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Binigay ka number 10. Dribble naman number 10, Coros. Number 10, ang gamadali si number 10. Number 10, using the glass, is good. Score, 15-13. In favor of green, number 27, Basilio. Number 27. Number 27, zigzagging, ngunit traveling. Inbound number 8, Dice. 18, binigay ulit kay number 8, Dice. Ang nagmamadali si number 8, Dice. Number 8. Referee whistle, a violet ball. And number 28. Tandog, number 28. Tandog. 51 seconds, intercept by number 8. Kinuha number 10. Nagmamadali si number 10. Referee whistle, number 27. First personal foul, number 27, Basilio. Second team foul. 2 shots coming from Coros, number 10. Pasalin yan ba yung sapatos?
Balay panjar. Hindi pa yata ano gawa na.
Second shot, number 10. Wala, rebound by number 27, Basilio. Number 20. 40 seconds. Number 28. 35 seconds. Shot. Wala, rebound by. Kinuha number 8. Binigay kay number 27. 10 seconds shoot. Number 19. Shot. Wala, rebound by number 10, Coros. 20 seconds. Number 10, binigay kay number 8, Dice. Dice using the glass is good. 15 seconds. 27. Shot lang is off. Number 20, Tandog. 10 seconds. Shot wala. Number 8. 5 seconds.
Tira!
Number 8. Number 10.